lots of love. Parents give your love to their younger siblings, not elders so much, or they feel alone also, because I'm feel alone sometime. So this responsibility I have in myself.
If I get a chance to leave my responsibility, so I will leave my job because I am elder one in my home, so I am running my family. I earn and then they will spend. That's why I am not able to fulfill my dream. If I get a chance, so I will leave my job and make my all focus on my dream, because now I'm doing another thing, but my dream is another. So I'm not following my dream steps, but in future I will follow them.
If I talk about myself, I don't have that much responsibility. I am happy with my responsibilities. I don't have to give so much to my family because I am not elder one. My sister is my elder sister. She has lots of responsibility. She have to do job, whatever they want to do. My parents never pressurize me to do anything. They always supports me. They always understands that she can do everything, but it will take time. They always give me time and they always motivate us. I don't want to get rid of my any responsibility. I am happy with what I have.
What is the role of police in our system?
Role of police in our system is like we live in society. Society needs discipline, and we also need someone who can arrange that thing. If we don't have police in our society, crime will increase, and you can see after police there we can see lots of crimes in our society. If they don't control everything, crime will increase a lot day by day. So society need police because they will save us from crime.
We should need police in our society for protection, because if all peoples are common, there are no one to protect us. So we have a police for our system. It is very important role.
As we all know that every helper has their own role to their society. We cannot neglect the role of any helper. If I talk about police has very important role in our society. They protect us from thieves and many mishappenings that can be happen in their absence. Police also, but nowadays police are misusing their authority. They just make false license, false.
Doing something continuously makes us perfect in it. And why?
Repeat your question.
Do you think that doing something continuously makes us perfect in it, and why?
Yes, if we do something continuously, it makes us perfect. If I talk myself, I am using Adobe Photoshop a lot, and now I consider myself as good in Photoshop. So if I can't use regularly, I can't furnish myself. So this is important.
Yes, I also think doing continuously thing daily, it will polish your skill. If you do anything daily, it will increase daily by daily. Like I also use Photoshop and Illustrator around 5 years, and I also know lots of thing about. I also know lots of thing about Photoshop, and daily I learn new thing from this, and I polish my skills by continuously learning Photoshop.
As we all know that practice makes a man perfect. No one is perfect from their childhood. The person who give their maximum, who give their best in any work gets the success earlier. if we want to achieve anything, we should have to make efforts as much as possible. We should do that activity in which we are weak, and we have to work on that so that we can achieve our goal as soon as possible.